Excuse me. I'm going to be starting a series on my channel called Spring Cleaning. Probably a lot of people don't really care for spring cleaning, but I do. I love to clean. It's like one of the best moments of my life. Oh, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm just tidying. I'm not organizing, I'm just tidying. That is my first step in spring cleaning. Then we're going to get into the video. Make sure you give the video a like, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe here. And I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get into this. Get your clean on, girl. Having a dishwasher is such a blessing. However, this video was a very sad moment for me because after a few minutes I realized my dishwasher stopped working. So I've been looking on Best Buy to see if I find another one or if Eli can repair this one. I would prefer getting a new one, but who knows? We'll see what's going to happen with this. I noticed that in these clips I look upset. I'm not upset. I just have this face that I always put. I don't know why. I guess it's like a determined face to get things done. But I'm not mad. I'm probably in the best of moods, cleaning in my happy place. So I'm working from home now, and if you can see my laptop sleeve and I have a notebook back there, I just keep it there because I'm working from my dining table. That's like my little work area. So instead of having to go back and forth bringing out the things that I need to work, I'd rather just hide it back there just so it can be a little more convenient for me. If you have any questions about where my decorations are from or my furniture, I'll be happy to answer them. Just leave it in the comments down below. However, I do get a lot of my things from HomeGoods, and HomeGoods is kind of like a hit or miss. It's just, you might find it, you might not. But I do highly, highly recommend HomeGoods. I'm super obsessed with HomeGoods. They have the best options for home decor and furniture. If anyone follows me on my Instagram, you would know that we are turning this back room into a closet. So I'm just working on that. I'm going to make that into a video, so that should be up in the next few weeks after this is kind of finished. But I am recording the process of it. So you'll see in the final cut that there are a lot of things that still need to be done in this house. For example, my room still needs to be painted. There's holes in the wall in front of me because we are patching everything and getting it ready to be painted. So when you notice that, that's just because we are still working on this house. It's taking us a while, but we're gonna get to it. So overall, to the naked eye, it looks clean. However, we're going to get down and dirty and get this house spotless. Continuing our series with Disinfecting 101. That's going to be our next video. We're just going to go through and disinfect everything before we really get in and detail work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!